Hi, this is Steve Natale, and today in the garage we're going to talk about the differences between original parts and reproduction parts. This beautiful example of a 1964 GTO Fender is fairly rare, but worth seeking out if you're restoring a car. I'm going to tell you the reasons why you want this. You want this Fender instead of a Fender made overseas. So let's take a closer look at this 1964 GTO Fender. Let's flip it over here. First thing you notice about an original Fender is the weight. They weigh more than a aftermarket Fender that's made of real Detroit steel. That's what you want in your car, the real deal. You want a Fender that's as heavy as the rest of the car. You look here how this brace is designed. The factory put these pieces in perfectly. All these holes will line up with your Fender. The reason why? Pontiac made this Fender. You're putting it on a Pontiac car, it's always going to fit. With the aftermarket parts, you don't know if they're going to fit. They fit to a certain extent, but a lot of time you have to hog out holes, readjust it, smooth it out. I've seen reproduction parts that have a bunch of Bondo on them because they're not straight enough. You're not going to get that with a factory part. This is what you really want to have for your car. You want a car that has factory pieces on it as much as possible. It's going to be more authentic that way. It's going to fit better. It's going to look better. You're going to have peace of mind that you have a real Fender on your car, not an aftermarket Fender. So that's it for today in the garage with Steve Natale. Look us up, subscribe, follow us. Thanks.